Welcome to another BodyMaitre for Body's Consciousness meditation. Today, together with your higher self and the collective angelic team, we are welcoming one of the highest divine frequencies available to humanity, love and compassion. Not love that depends on achievement, not love that depends on perfection, not love that depends on other people's approval. Today, we are remembering the unconditional love that already exists within you. Compassion is not weakness, it is the courage to embrace every part of yourself with kindness. When you truly love yourself, you naturally become more peaceful, more joyful, more confident, more authentic. Today, you are not trying to become someone else. You are remembering the magnificent being you have always been. Everything unfolds only for your highest good. You are completely protected, deeply supported, and infinitely loved. Find a comfortable position, allow your body to relax. Close your eyes gently, take a slow, deep breath in. And slowly breathe out. Again, breathing in divine love. Breathing out self-judgment. One more deep breath. Allow your shoulders to soften, your face to relax, your heart to open. Imagine a beautiful sphere of soft golden pink light surrounding your entire body. This is your sanctuary of unconditional love. Only love may enter, only love may remain. Your higher self now joins you. The collective angelic team lovingly surrounds you. You are safe, you are accepted, you are enough, exactly as you are. Imagine yourself entering a magnificent temple of divine light. You step onto the radiant BodyMaitre command deck. Above you, a beautiful waterfall of golden, rose gold, and white light descends from infinite source. Below you, Mother Earth lovingly supports every step of your journey. Take another slow breath. Now silently say, engage. The command deck awakens. Sacred geometry begins glowing beneath your feet. Golden circles of light expand around you. The angelic hologram activates. You have entered your multidimensional sanctuary of self-love. Bring your awareness to the space just above your head, your spiritual body. Imagine a beautiful, soft, rose-pink light, shimmering with threads of gold descending from the cosmos. This is the pure consciousness of self-love and compassion. Allow this gentle light to activate your spiritual awareness, reminding you that your soul is inherently worthy of divine love exactly as you are. The infinite source now sends a stream of divine love directly into your soul. You remember, you have never been separated from love. You have always been worthy. You have always belonged. Feel this nurturing energy anchor into your blueprint. As this frequency downloads into your spiritual body, silently affirm to yourself, I am aware of my divine, unshakable worth. I realize my soul deserves infinite love and compassion. Let this rosy light of self-acceptance shine brightly within your spiritual self. Take a gentle breath in and let it go. Now, allow this nurturing light of self-love and compassion to flow down into your mind, entering your mental body. Visualize this frequency downloading into your subconscious, washing away the harsh voice of the inner critic, perfectionism, and all self-judgment. The consciousness of love and compassion now downloads into every thought, every belief, every memory. Old self-criticism dissolves. Comparison disappears. Perfectionism softens. Your inner voice becomes gentle. We now install the consciousness of self-compassion as your new mental baseline. Allow this energy to program your mind with profound kindness and patience toward yourself. Silently affirm, I think thoughts of gentle understanding and kindness toward myself. My mind operates on the frequency of self-love. Breathe in this mental kindness and exhale. Let this beautiful warm energy continue its journey, flowing gently down into your heart and your emotional body. Warm waves of divine love gently flow throughout your emotional field. Every emotion is welcomed. Nothing needs to be hidden. Nothing needs to be fixed. Nothing needs to be rejected. Simply loved. Imagine this light wrapping around your heart like a warm, protective embrace. Allow yourself to truly feel the soothing relief that comes from forgiving and loving yourself. Let it wash over any inner wounds or feelings of unworthiness, allowing pure, unconditional self-love to emerge from within your heart space. Give this frequency permission to express itself fully. Silently affirm, I feel deep, unconditional love for who I am. I allow self-compassion to completely soothe and heal my heart. Take a deep, expansive breath of love into your heart and release. Feel your heart expanding, growing lighter, warmer, brighter. Imagine hugging your younger self, your present self, your future self, all becoming one. Finally, guide this vibrant frequency of self-love and compassion all the way down into your physical body. Now focus upon your physical body. Every organ, every muscle, every nerve, every cell receives soft golden pink light. Every cell whispers, "You are loved." Your nervous system relaxes. Your breathing deepens, your body feels appreciated. Notice the physical sensation of comfort and safety as this loving energy settles into your physical vessel. By grounding this vibration, you allow self-compassion to materialize as deep physical care, treating your body as a sacred temple. As you embody this consciousness, it manifests as nurturing actions in your daily reality. Silently affirm, I act with gentle reverence for my physical body. I physically manifest self-love in all that I do. See millions of cells smiling with radiant light. Your body feels lighter, healthier, more alive. Breathe in deeply, anchoring this warm embrace into your physical form. Take a moment to feel the frequency of self-love and compassion beautifully aligned across your spiritual, mental, emotional, and physical bodies. You have successfully downloaded and integrated this self-mastery code. Know that the more you listen to this meditation, the more deeply this consciousness will actualize, permanently dissolving self-criticism and manifesting profound inner harmony. Your higher self and the collective angelic team celebrate this beautiful upgrade with you. Your higher self now gently walks toward you, looking directly into your eyes with infinite compassion. Your higher self smiles and softly says, I have always loved you. I have never judged you. I have always believed in you. You are enough. You always have been. You always will be. Your higher self gently embraces you. You feel completely accepted, completely seen, completely loved. Now imagine yourself 1 month from today, living with love and compassion. Notice your confidence. Notice your peaceful smile. Notice healthy boundaries. Notice joyful relationships. Notice abundance flowing naturally. Notice how gently you speak to yourself. Notice how much lighter your life feels. This future version of you no longer fights against yourself. Instead, you become your own greatest supporter. Allow your subconscious mind to learn from this future self. This is becoming your new reality. Now imagine this beautiful love expanding outward into your family, into your friendships, into your workplace, into your community, into humanity. As you love yourself more deeply, you naturally love others more freely. Your heart becomes a blessing to the world. Take one final deep breath. The collective angelic team lovingly seals today's installation. Your higher self gently confirms the consciousness of love and compassion has now been activated, downloaded, installed, integrated, anchored, and is naturally unfolding at the perfect pace for your highest good. Each loving thought strengthens this frequency. Each compassionate action deepens this embodiment. You are becoming love itself. Bring awareness back to your breathing. Feel your body, feel your hands, feel your feet connected to the earth. Gently wiggle your fingers, move your shoulders, and when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Welcome home, welcome back to yourself. Return to this meditation whenever you wish to reconnect with your true essence. Each time you listen, the consciousness of love and compassion becomes more deeply embodied within your spiritual body, your mental body, your emotional body, and your physical body. Remember, the relationship you have with yourself creates the relationship you have with life. When you become your own greatest source of love, the world begins to reflect that love back to you. Until next time, may your higher self and the collective angelic team continue guiding every step of your 4 bodies mastery journey.